Welcome to Easy. Know how want to add music to your Instagram story but not sure how we're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboom.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the music sticker for Instagram stories. Now let's get started to add music to your Instagram story posts. Open the Instagram app and begin creating a story as usual by uploading a photo or video from your device or snapping a new one. Or you can use the create mode if you want to. Just share text. Now tap the music icon at the top. You can then browse suggested tracks to add to your story or type in the name of a song, album, or artist in the search bar at the top to find something specific. Tap the play button to the right of a song to hear a preview of it. Tap a song to add it to your story. Now you can slide the track at the bottom to the part of the song you want to use. If you're posting a video, the selected portion of the song will automatically be the length of your video. If you're posting a photo or create story, you can choose a duration from 5 seconds to 15 seconds long. You can then choose the style of sticker you'd like to use. There are 6 sticker styles, some with the song title and album cover, some with karaoke style moving lyrics, as well as an option to have no sticker and just have the music added to your story. Select the sticker style you'd like to use. Then you can place the sticker where you want it on your story. You can make it larger or smaller and move it around. Just like any other sticker, when you're done, tap your story at the bottom to post it no matter which sticker style you choose. Even if you opt to have no sticker, the song title and artist will appear at the top of your story underneath your username. When people view your story, they can tap the song name to listen to more of the song. See reels that have used the same audio and get the option to use the audio M themselves. That's all it takes to add music to your Instagram stories. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel, Easy Know How.